How to improve your social skills. Although most people view socializing as a pleasant, leisurely activity, different obligations and anxieties can sap the fun out of your social life and make it more difficult to interact with others. How to handle your reservations. 1. Be mindful of your insecurities. Everyone experiences moments of shyness or insecurity, but if you feel shyness is holding you back, it's likely because you've been telling yourself you're insufficient. The unfavorable things you tell yourself over and over again strengthen these emotions of inadequacy on a daily basis. Recognize negative ideas and tell the difference between sensible and irrational thinking. Do you convince yourself that you are not attractive all the time? Are you boring to yourself? That you are strange? Irresponsible? You're not confident enough to be social because of negative ideas like these. They prevent you from leading a fulfilling life, which is more important. You won't be able to properly mingle until you've dealt with your anxieties and assured yourself you're a worthy person. Sometimes we become so used to having these pessimistic ideas that we stop noticing them. Begin observing the types of ideas you are having. 2. Gain the ability to manage your negative thoughts. Once you have mastered the ability to identify when you are having a negative thought, you can gradually train yourself to squelch it so that it does not interfere with your life. 3. Make a list of all your good traits. Unfortunately, we spend so much time trying to become better people that we neglect to appreciate our successes, our gifts, and our kindness. Find out what your best qualities are by asking those you can trust. 4. Never evaluate yourself against others. People who struggle with insecurity often do so because they contrast their own low points with others' high points. In other words, they contrast the shortcomings of their own lives with the virtues of those of others. 5. Keep in mind that the world does not revolve around you. Ironically, those who experience feelings of invisibility and insecurity frequently have feelings of being continually observed, judged, and made fun of. It is illogical to believe that strangers are continuously observing you and waiting for you to make a mistake, even if you are undoubtedly not invisible. People are usually too preoccupied with their own affairs to notice if you say or do something embarrassing. Even if they do notice, they are likely to forget the experience in a matter of hours as opposed to you, who may remember it for years. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.